Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. I'm here at the Milwaukee Tool headquarters with Joe, who's the product manager. Joe, this is a tool that I guess best would be described as a purposeful tool, right? Something that's designed for a specific purpose. Can you talk to me about it?
Absolutely, Lou. So from the ground up, our M12 Detail Sander was designed to replace hand sanding on job sites. So everything from the removal rate, right, which we claim over 2 times as efficient than a traditional hand sanding sponge, down to the surface finish are critical to be able to complete these more precision-focused applications. It's going to be very different than pulling your belt sander or your random orbital sander out on the job site. These are often for the smaller details and often when pieces are installed, so you're doing a lot of sanding over your head and on the floor and at weird orientations.
Right. Talk to me about some of the features that are on this tool.
Yeah, absolutely. So with this detail sander, you're going to have a high control of your removal rate. You're going to have 4 distinct settings on the back and variable speed within all of those settings, which allows you to feather into your workpiece, making sure you're not taking off too much, right? These are very delicate applications that require a lot of precision and finesse to get right.
Right. Now, within this kit that you would purchase, you got a tool-only kit that is part of your M12 platform. What comes in that kit?
In the kit, Lou, you're going to get 9 total abrasives, 3 each of 80, 120, and 180 grit. You're going to get a pad saver, and what this does is it extends the life of your backing pad to make sure that those hook and loops, again, don't wear out prematurely. You're also going to have a sponge interface pad, and what you can do with this is profile around different contours like baseboard and crown molding. Again, making sure you're being very precise around those curves and contours.
Now, somebody looks at this, Joe, and says, well, I already have a multi-tool and they've got an adapter that I can put on the end of that and I can use my sandpaper in there. Yes, you can do that, but in certain applications, that can come back to bite you in the rear end. You actually, the way that this operates gives a better finish, right? Talk to me about that.
Lou. So this is going to feature a true orbital finish, or true orbital sanding motion, which is going to be what you're going to see on quarter sheet sanders and other finish sanders today. What that means is it vibrates in a circle versus back and forth. So it's going to give you a more consistent removal rate and a higher quality surface finish. Oftentimes with multi-tools, you can easily scratch or gouge your workpiece, which is very prevalent once you apply stain onto your workpiece.
Yeah.
Those scratches, those swirls really pop in the grain.
Yeah, this is a tool that will help you get professional results, whether you're a professional or a DIYer.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's great information. All right, well, thanks, Joe. If you'd like more information, just go to acehardware.com or stop by your local Ace Hardware store.